This EEOYU magnetic label holders set gives you a generous supply of sturdy magnetic sleeves that cling securely to metal shelves, cabinets, and whiteboards without slipping. Each holder uses a flexible magnetic backing and a rigid front channel that keeps your paper insert flat and readable even in busy warehouse or classroom environments. The included white paper strips and clear plastic covers make it easy to create labels that stay clean, legible, and protected from dust, fingerprints, and smudges over time. Because the labels slide in and out of the holders, you can reorganize inventory or update information quickly without scraping off adhesive or leaving sticky residue. The simple black frame with a bright white insert looks professional and uncluttered, so it blends well into offices, workshops, and storage rooms while still standing out enough to be noticed. With enough pieces to outfit multiple shelving units or project boards, this set is well suited for anyone who wants a flexible, reusable labeling system that keeps things clearly marked and easy to find.